Why chasing perfect sabotages your potential. The obsession with perfection in 2025. We live in an era where the word perfect seeps into everything: our photos, our projects, our goals. The society of 2025 doesn't just ask us to succeed, it pushes us to succeed perfectly. But behind these seductive dreams lies a hidden trap. The obsession with perfection doesn't elevate you, it sabotages you. It drains your energy, feeds your anxiety, and prevents you from unlocking your true potential. Because perfection is an illusion, and chasing it is like running after a mirage. The perfect illusion, a modern trap. Unrealistic goals. Every new year, social media floods with lists of perfect resolution. The perfect body, the perfect career, the perfect social life. But these goals often based on external validation, not genuine personal alignment. The social media highlight reel. On Instagram, LinkedIn, or TikTok, we see the top 1% of other lives, the filtered, optimized moments. And we compare our messy behind the scenes to their polished highlights reels. The results? We create goals that don't come from our own heart, but from constant comparison. The immediate psychological toll. Chasing perfection creates anxiety, fear of never being good enough, procrastination, delaying action because nothing feels ready, decision paralysis, inability to choose because no option seems perfect. The sabotage cycle. All perfection blocks progress. Analyzes paralysis. You want to launch a project, but you wait for everything to be aligned. The right time, the right tool, the right confidence. But that moment never comes. You remain stuck. Perfection kills action. Fear of judgment. When you focus on maintaining a perfect facade, you fear failure, you fear criticism. Sometimes you rather not try at all than risk being seen as imperfect. But by avoiding failure, you also avoid growth. The treadmill effect. Perfection is a moving target. Even when you make progress, you don't celebrate it. You keep running without ever savoring the distance covered. It's like chasing an horizon that recedes as you walk. The good enough revolution. Redefining success. Success isn't about reaching perfection, it's about consistent effort and measurable progress. An imperfect draft written is better than a masterpiece that stays in your head. The power of iteration. The greatest modern successes, startups, creators, innovation, didn't start perfect. They started small and imperfect, then improved with feedback and experiences. Imperfect action overcome perfect inaction. Celebrating small wins. Acknowledging and savoring each bit of progress, no matter how small, creates a virtuous cycle. That's what transforms discipline into enjoyment and consistency into strength. Authentic growth over perfect facade. Vulnerability as strength. Showing your imperfection isn't weakness. It's what builds deeper connections. People resonate with the authenticity, not with the flawless mask. Learning from mistakes. Every mistake is valuable data. It's not a verdict, it's information. The people who succeed fastest are those who fail quickly, analyze, and try again. Developing self compassion. If a friend made a mistake, you'd encourage them. It's normal, keep going. Why not speak to yourself the same way? Self compassion frees up energy to persevere instead of self destruct. Your imperfect success blueprint for 2025. Setting realistic, adaptable goals. Instead of trying to change everything, aim for progressive goals. 1% improvement each week, flexible goals instead of rigid ones, focusing on consistency rather than perfection. The 80-20 rule for personal development. 20% of your efforts create 80% of your results. Instead of wasting energy chasing perfection in details, focus on what has the biggest impact. A call to action, embracing your imperfect self. Your potential isn't unlocked when you become perfect, but when you dare to act, even imperfectly. Your strength lies in your authenticity. Your progress lies in your incomplete but repeated action. Your success in 2025 will be built not on a rigid ideal, but on a living, imperfect evolution. Conclusion. Imperfection as a catalyst for your potential. Chasing perfection is chaining yourself to an illusion that always slips away. Choosing embraced imperfection is freeing your energy to move forward, learn, and grow. In 2025, don't ask yourself, how can I be perfect? Ask, what small imperfect action can I take today to be stronger tomorrow? That's how you unlock your potential. Not by reaching an impossible ideal, but by embodying an authentic, imperfect, ever evolving self.